Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Sasha, and I have not vlogged in a good minute or made videos in a good minute, and I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm saying. Good morning. It is about almost 10 o'clock. Probably my phone's charging, so I can't even see what time it is. I think it's close to 10, and I wanted to get up a little earlier because I have a lot I want to get done today in the house, but you know, I listened to my body. I try to go back to sleep, or just stayed in bed until about 9:30, and then I got up and I made a cup of ginger tea, which I love ginger tea with a little bit of honey that I'm about to sip on because my stomach's a little uneasy, but I don't feel like eating right at the moment. Let me know if you're like that. Like, do you eat right when you get up, or do you need some time? Let me know. So I am gonna have some ginger tea. I'm gonna have some quiet time. I just opened my Bible. I'm going to read a little bit. After that, I'm going to do my gratitude journal. I got the gratitude journal. That's like the aesthetic journal that everybody has on TikTok and stuff like that. I really like it. Not only is it very cute and aesthetically pleasing, if you know me, people know I like things to look nice. It helps me to, do things and keep on track of things. I need to clean my house and no, we're going to focus on cleaning it, not organizing it. We're going to try to focus on cleaning it. That's my problem. I be trying to do way too much. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, have some quiet time, and then I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Okay, so I am currently organizing my laundry, and I don't know why I was so loud. I wasn't going to show you what I do when I want to do my laundry efficiently, but I feel like I should. It might be different. It might be weird. Maybe some of y'all do this. But so what I do is I organize my laundry into different sections. Like, I used to just do bottoms and tops and intimates. But now I'm doing it a little more dramatic. So I kept tops all together, and I could separate that even more, but I'm just like, I have tops all together. I'm putting sweaters and pullovers, jackets together, long pants together, shorts and bottoms together, and dresses together because I have nightgown dresses or little things, and then intimates together. So I'm going to show you. I have them in different piles. I feel so weird showing you guys this, but this is what I do to help me with laundry, because I don't like doing laundry at all. I don't mind putting them in the wash and stuff like that, but the folding after, I don't know. But it just eases my mind knowing that the load that's coming out, most of that goes together, and I'm folding the same type of thing. I know it might be weird, but oh look, Nikki and Gabby in the back. But that's what I want to do, and I feel like it helps ease the process. So it is 11 o'clock, and I'm wasting I have done nothing really but put something to wash. So I gotta start booking it. So you'll probably just see little clips of me cleaning and stuff like that. So I guess it's kind of my Sunday reset, but Monday, because Sundays I work, so Monday is more like my reset. Yeah. So guys, I don't remember what's the last thing you saw. I think the last thing you saw was me doing dishes. I finished doing that. I cleaned down the kitchen. I took out what I'm gonna cook so it can defrost. and then I swept out the kitchen, and I'm still washing, doing laundry. I decided to fold, or try to fold one load, because I don't know if I'm gonna fold the other ones that are washing, because it's a lot. I'm sitting here folding clothes, watching Josh and Sav. Love them, they're cute Christian couple that I like to watch. It's a little boring today, but productive, getting ish done. I mean, I like watching these types of videos, so I said, why not create them? It's harder than you think, like, because you just want to kind of get things done, but then you have to worry about like recording it, so it's a little annoying kind of, but I mean, yeah, I take breaks here and there. It is now 2:33. I have a load in the wash. I have, I think, maybe 2 more loads to do of like personal clothes, and then I want to wash the towels and rags, so hopefully I can do that before it's time to go. I'm thinking I can start cooking around maybe 4. We'll see guys, we'll see. You'll definitely see, because I'm, you know, you're with me today, so we'll see. Guys, so I'm in my bonnet. Don't know if I was in it in the last clip, but I'm in my bonnet because I just cleaned the bathroom a little while ago, and I didn't want my hair in my way and getting in like the way of cleaning. I finished cleaning and I sat down for a little bit. It is now 5:12. I'm a little behind. I wanted to start cooking at 5 o'clock, but I am tired. As you can see, there's a pile of laundry behind me. Clean laundry that needs to be put away. But before I do that, I'm going to try to start cooking. Well, not try, I'm going to start cooking. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm really tired though. I kind of wish that I was not going to the class today because I'm tired. But I'm gonna go because we have to make commitments to ourselves and be disciplined in getting exercise in, because it's good for you. It's good for me. So yeah, I'm about to go start cooking and then change to work out, try to put away some of the stuff because Mark's gonna be home. And I know he's gonna want to probably relax and watch or play his soccer, whatever he want to do. So I need to clear off at least one side of the couch. So yeah, actually he should be home soon. Let me get food cooking so when he come in he can smell food. You wanted to talk to your friend.
Before that.
Oh my god. Say hi to my vlog. Tell them that you're yelling.
No. Tell them that you don't answer the phone when people are trying to call you. That's what you were doing? You were vlogging?
No,
That's why you didn't answer.
I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to leave my house by 6 to make it.
Buddy, tell her.
This is everybody. This is Nikki.
Buddy, you tell her.
Nikki and Buddy, everybody.
You tell her, buddy.
Yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll...
Okay, guys, so I finished cooking. Hey.
It's just the crumbs.
Don't eat that.
I'm putting it back together.
Alright, so here's the finished food. Some fish, mashed potatoes. The rice finished?
Yeah.
And then some rice. Can you throw some butter on it?
Water or butter?
Butter. And yeah, so I'm about to leave.
Me.
I'm about to leave and go to the class. I think I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's see how brave I am with this camera. And
So you'll be fine. You'll feel comfortable because
I don't know who I'll go with. Alright guys, so I'll see you at the class. I feel weird vlogging in public.
When we do it to music, it'll be faster, it'll be a little bit more fun, it'll be more energetic, and it'll be easier to reset the sequence, okay? Right now we're doing
We out here dying.
okay? So, let's go really slow, with our right brain, then we're gonna put the music, okay? Here we go, really slow. 6, sorry, I'm gonna take that. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Now the vlog. How was it, Tam?
Hard.
Hard?
Very hard. It's hard.
Brittany, how was it? Now this is the vlog.
Oh my gosh. Like, oh, see all the sweat? Sweat.
sweating.
I felt the burn. I felt the burn. Did you feel the burn?
I did.
I felt the burn.
Guys, I burnt like 400 calories.
Man.
No.
I'm dying.
When you get like mixed up, you're like...
Listen, when you get dancers that say I'm dying, you know it was something, okay?
It was.
I was like, I'm like, why? Well, that's what we do. Why you said 12? I've done that a long time. I said maybe 5, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm on the phone with Nikki. I feel like I'm all... Why are you always in my vlogs, homie? They can't hear you, but yeah. So I'm in Target. I had to make a quick stop to Target. There's so many people in Target right now. I'm trying to vlog to y'all and I feel weird. But I came to find a toothbrush because I did a pickup order, but they said the toothbrush that I wanted was out of stock. So here I am. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end my video here. If you hear noise in the background, Mark's playing soccer. But yeah, it was a very productive day. Hopefully I captured that as much as I could. This is my first video back since like, I don't know how much months. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. I don't know. But I just got back from working out and I'm gonna go ahead and eat and then take a shower, put some of my clothes away and call it a night, hit the hay. See you guys in the next vlog. Mwah. Deuces.